Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you use an average function. Uh, I'm gonna use this data to count the average. So I want to count the average for January, February and March for these students. So I'm gonna type equal then average then this automatically choose the average in this column. So another way you can use is type average, but you can select it manually like this, then press enter. As you can see, it is the same method, but what if I want to count the average for this column? So I'm gonna click like the same as the previous one, so equal average. I'm gonna click this, then I'm gonna choose this column, then close the bracket, click enter, then that's it. That's how you get this average. So if you want to count the average of all of this data, so this is how you do it. So equal, then press average, then you choose all of this value, close the bracket, then press enter. So this is the average for all of this data. So that's how you use the average in Google Spreadsheet. So that's all from me. Thank you.